Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Italy is home to Europe's oldest university, the University of Bologna, which was founded in 1088. The world's largest pool is the San Alfonso del Mar Resort Pool in Chile. It is 1013 meters long, covering 8.2 hectares. The taller the watermelon is, the more watery the inside will be. The longest a human can hold their breath is 24 minutes 37.76 seconds. If you want to buy a car in Japan, you must first prove that you have a parking space. Additionally, this parking space must be within 2 kilometers of your residence. The remains of a female vampire pinned to the ground with a sickle across her throat to prevent her returning from the dead were found during archaeological work at a 17th century cemetery. The largest air force in the world is the US Air Force. The second largest air force in the world is the US Navy. Ruth wore a cabbage leaf under his cap to keep him cool. He changed it every 2 innings. Never spill super glue on cotton, leather or wool. It can cause severe burns and sometimes even catch fire. Working from home can bring big health benefits, said study. The oldest known song is the Hurrian hymn number 6, which was written over 3400 years ago in Syria. World's first diabetes cure with cell therapy achieved in China. Being a NASCAR pit crew member is so physically demanding that athletes are hired and trained as mechanics instead of hiring mechanics and making them work out. Personality traits like honesty and helpfulness can make you appear more physically attractive. Sean Bean's birth name is actually Sean. A North Dakotan teen lost both arms in a farm accident but still managed to call for help by using his mouth. Both his arms were reattached and he survived to tell the tale. The day before yesterday is called Your Yesterday. All members of the Beatles are honorary colonels of Kentucky. There are 31 synthesized isotopes of platinum. This iceberg in Newfoundland looks exactly as the Batman and it is also known as Batman Iceberg. Top 10 states in India according to literacy rates. Ben and Jerry, the company which manufactures ice cream, gives their cows a regular massage. Cows can reach 8.5 feet in length, including the tail, and around 1200 pounds of weight. Before year 1995, the domain name registration was free. The acid in acid rain can damage a car's paint job, but it won't melt the car. The most expensive matchbox cost $6,000 and was purchased by Kevin Saucier in Santa Ana, California, USA on 3rd July 2015. Japanese artist traveled 8,000 miles with a GPS to propose to his girlfriend. This company makes office chairs out of coffins which are perfectly for any dead-end job. In 1500 BC, a shaved head was considered the ideal of female beauty. Dysthymia, a high-functioning depression, causes chronic tiredness, hopelessness, and irritability. While individuals still manage work or school, they may adopt unhealthy coping habits but often mask their depression. The largest pearl in the world reaches 6 kilograms in weight. David Beckham, the most stylish footballer ever born. After 119 years, Royal Enfield's first plant outside India inaugurated in Argentina. While yawning, the person loses consciousness for a moment and comes back to himself. When a waiter at the Ritz-Carlton in Dubai overheard a gentleman telling his wife, who was in a wheelchair, that it was shame that they could not get down to the beach, he told maintenance about it. By the next afternoon, the hotel had built a wooden walkway. In the 80s, deaf Nicaraguan children with no prior sign language exposure were brought together to a deaf school and started spontaneously making their own sign language, developing complexity and syntax. The city of Wynot, North Carolina has its name because its residents argued over what to call it. After listening to many people make suggestions by saying, "Why not name it?" The majority of coconuts are picked by trained monkeys. Most coconut oil and meat comes from Thailand, where monkeys are used to climb trees and retrieve coconuts. Finland has largely eradicated homelessness across the country with an innovative strategy. The approach involves offering individuals a small apartment and mental health support without any initial conditions. Top 5 luxurious hotels in the world. The Plaza, New York City. Malden Palace, Turkey. Atlantis Paradise, Bahamas. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. Emirates Palace, Abu Dhabi. Thanks for watching.